How to turn on or turn off keyboard character preview touch feedback on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and in here tap on general management. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. Then tap on touch feedback. Next, tap on character preview. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now this is what it looks like when we turn it on. So when we touch on the keyboard, you can see it will pop up that letter. So pop up a larger preview of that key or of that character. And if I turn it off, so in here I will switch it off. Now if I go to my keyboard and when I tap on it, it does not show that pop-up preview. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or switch it off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.